Good evening guys, this is Red Gear YT and welcome to my YouTube channel, and I am going to tell you how to install Parrot on VMware workstation. So let's get started. First you have to go to parrotlinux.org site, and then you have to download the security version. This Parrot ISO made one. These are used by the professionals, so I have downloaded this one. And then you have to go into your VMware workstation, then you have to click on file and new virtual machine. Then you have to click on next and install disk image file, and then browse, and where you have downloaded it from there you have to open it, and then you have to click next, and you have to click on Linux and Debian 964 version, and then click next. And after that, if you want to change the name of the virtual machine, you can change. I'll keep Parrot 4.8 it, and I'll then browse, and then where I want to install it, I'll install it in my E drive, and then I'll give it name Parrot. Then I'll click next, and then I'll click on store virtual disk as a single file. I'll give it space around 30. You can give space according to your hard disk size which you have, and depends. Okay, so then next, and then you click on customize hardware, and then how much RAM you want to give. I'll give it 4 gigs of RAM, and then number of processor you want to assign to them. I have assigned one only, and one will be fine. If you will increase the speed, will also increase as accordingly. The more processors and per processor you will give it, it's really simple. You can do over here by clicking on customize hardware and then finish. And after that, you click on power on this virtual machine. Then you have to come downwards, and then you'll click on install, and then install with GTX GUI. Then you click enter. Guys, one thing I just want to tell you, that Parrot is lighter than Kali Linux. Though Kali Linux is used much by Parrot, but still, Kali Linux is heavy, and Parrot is lighter in size accordingly. You see, then it will tell you to select language, and then English, continue, and then location. I'm in India, so I'll put India, and I'll continue, and then configure the keyboard, which language you want to choose. I'll click American English, continue, and then it will take some time. It will detect everything, guys, your hardware, and now it will ask you to put password. One thing I just want to say, you guys, put your password really tight one or a simple one. I recommend you to put the simple one. If you will put the simple one, then it will be safe for you. If you will afterwards forget the password, then you have to reinstall it, guys. Otherwise there is no way that you can crack this password. So I will keep my password what I want. But I request you to keep a password that you remember, okay? Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to crack it afterwards. Continue, and then click on continue, and what username you wanna give, you can give, but I'll not give. I'll click on continue. What user account you name wanna give, I'll give it Thakur. Thakur, sorry, my spelling mistake, THA. And I'll click continue, and it will again ask for the password. I'll again type the password. You can, guys, choose two. You can choose two accounts, one of your name which you want, and one of the root. You can use two accounts over here. One is of root, and the other one is that you have entered, which one you like. So I prefer root only, but that is for my second account, which you can do it also over here also when you will install this, and then click continue. Basically in Parrot you have two users. You can make two users. One is of root, that is default, and the other one you can make it of yours also. This feature is only in Parrot till now I have seen. and then you have to click on guided use entire disk. You have to click on this and then continue, and then continue, and all files in one partition, and then you have to click on continue, and then you have to finish partition and write changes to the disk. Then you have to click on continue, and do you want select any for the user space enabling, and then if you do not, go back to settings, and then I'll click yes. I'll click continue, continue, and then no, but you have to click no over here, guys, and then continue, and yes, continue, then, and it will install, guys. It will take little bit of time. When it will be installed, guys, I'll come back to you afterwards, okay, when it will be installed. Guys, after the installation will be done, then it will ask you to install the grub bootloader on your hard disk. Then you have to press yes, and then you have to click on continue, and then you have to click on dev sda install grub bootloader on a hard disk device for bootloader installation. Then you have to click on dev sda, and then you have to continue, and then it will install, guys. It will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes, and then it will install. And when this will be done, guys, I'll come back to you later, okay. Guys, after installing the grub bootloader, then after that the installation will be finished. Then you have to click on continue, then it will finish all the installation left. It will take around 5 minutes more. I'll come back to you afterwards when this installation will be done. There you go, guys, the installation is finished now. Now it will start, and I'll tell you how to open it. It will start like this with the logo of parrot, and it's really nice. There you see, guys, now the installation is finished. You can log in as your own name, or as you want. You can click on other also, and you can type root over here, and the password which you settled. I set it the password, and I'll log in like this. You can log in into two accounts also, whether you want to log in as a root or whether you want to log in with your name. It depends upon you only, guys. Then it will ask that which keyboard you want, and you have to click on United States and US, and click on OK. That's it, guys. This was the installation for Parrot OS system, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video, and I'll tell you how to stay anonymous on Parrot, and it's really simple, guys. That's it, guys.